My name is Timo Ojala. I'm a teacher at the trade school Järviseudun koulutuskuntayhtymä in the northern Finland, Ostrobotnia. I found the Otinus brand from the Machine Seeker online website when we are seeking cutting machines for our school. We made a little bit questions and had some offers from various of brands, and the Otinus was the wholesome, the most cost efficient option, and it also had good quality components that we can, in teaching purposes, we can manage a long time. We expected to have a quality machine which is made in Europe and which is easy to maintain and easy to use for our students, and we can use it for a long time in school purposes, and which has very good aftermarket services and aftermarket value. I rate the contact to the Otinus very high. The seller was very good, the information was good about the machines and all sorts of things, and the service was good from the selling people of the Otinus. The training material is very well arranged. Training was good, and training was very easy to postpone to the students to the school when we will start the school at the September again. We had good preparations and good preferences what we have to do to make the starting swiftly, so we can have all that we need, what we need for the air and electricity and so on. Yes, the promises of your Otinus has been fulfilled. After a few little checks about the machine and how it works, it's everything we hope for the machine. I would recommend Otinus machines to the other Finnish customers because the machine is quality, it's made for good components, and the service is good from the factory and the specialists. And I think you can find very cost-effective and good machine for your business with Otinus.